Good afternoon everyone, especially to you, Ma'am Lisette.
Good afternoon.
Describe the physical activity during which the first aid was needed. Be specific about the activity and when it occurred.
Okay. The activity occurred during the Palarong Pambansa 2024 when we were assigned, or I was assigned as one of the first aiders at the event. The event is a lawn tennis, and during one of those days, one of the players happened to have a laceration on the left knee when he played the lawn tennis. So the first aid application that we did was we had the patient sit down, and we cleaned the wound, the lacerated knee, with a sterile water using the D5LR. Mura siya dextrose gani mo na among gihunad sa iyang samad. And then we dressed the wound by applying betadine solution. And after that, we had the wound. We did not put some bandage on the wound. We leave it open because that player is still playing. So after the player finished the game, we applied a loose bandage on it para dili magbasa ang samad. Kay more man siya scratch, dili man kay siya laong.
Thank you for beautiful answer. Detail the signs and symptoms experienced by the person who required first aid be as precise as possible.
Okay. The person or the patient who has lacerated wounds, makita na nimo ang wound niya sa knee is na siya jagged edges, or kanang kung sa Bisaya pa na nato kanang naay mga garas, yun na siya. And then reddish ang color sa wound, and also na siya gamayng blood na magawas ana.
Thank you for beautiful answer again. Last question. Describe the first aid given, including the steps taken and any materials used.
Okay. To treat laceration wounds, especially if there is bleeding or naidagan dugo, you should stop the bleeding first by applying pressure on the wound or on the area. If wala na tayo bleeding, then we need to clean the wound, to properly clean the wound. How to properly clean the wound? We have to remove all dirt, especially sa lawn tennis na kanang ilahang court is kanang medyo clay or nayuta, so we need to remove all the dirt, the sand and the soil na naa sa samad by using a sterile water. Now we are for sterile water we use D5LR na mura na siya ang naon na niya, mura na siya kanang dextrose na siya na water. And then we apply betadine solution. After applying betadine solution, we put a bandage or gauze over the wound to properly na ma-safety na to ang wound, na dili na siya ma-apply ka ng mga abog or kanang dirt.
Okay, thank you for your time, Ms. Lisette. So, and to all teachers, especially students, be mindful and helpful who are in need.
Thank you.
Thank you and good day.
Thank you so much.